What if I told you there's an asteroid out there, right now, silently moving through space, and scientists are tracking it every single day? It's called Asteroid 2024 YR4, and for a brief moment, it made people ask a terrifying question. Could it hit Earth in 2032? Let's rewind. In late 2024, astronomers scanning the night sky detected a new object. At first, it was just another faint dot, barely visible through powerful telescopes. But as they tracked it, something stood out: its orbit. This asteroid wasn't just floating randomly. It follows a path around the sun that crosses Earth's orbit. That immediately got attention, because any object that crosses Earth's path has the potential, even if tiny, to collide with our planet. Now, here's where things get intense. When scientists first discover an asteroid, they don't know its exact path perfectly. They calculate possibilities, many possible orbits. And sometimes, a few of those paths include Earth. That's exactly what happened with 2024 YR4. Early calculations showed a very small chance that in the year 2032, this asteroid could pass extremely close to Earth. Close enough to raise eyebrows. Close enough to make headlines. But before panic sets in, here's the truth. As of right now, there is no confirmed impact. In fact, the probability of collision is extremely low. And with every new observation, scientists refine its orbit further, often reducing the risk even more. So why does this still matter? Because space is unpredictable. Asteroids don't move in perfectly straight, simple paths. They are constantly influenced by gravity from the sun, from planets like Jupiter, even from smaller forces like solar radiation. Over years, even decades, these tiny effects can shift an asteroid's trajectory. And when you're dealing with millions of kilometers, a small change can mean the difference between a safe pass and a direct hit. So what would happen if something like this actually hit Earth? It depends on the size. Most small asteroids burn up in our atmosphere, creating bright fireballs that never reach the ground. But larger ones, they can release energy equal to nuclear explosions, shock waves, heat, impact craters. And if it's big enough, it could affect entire regions, or even the global climate. That's why organizations like NASA and observatories around the world never stop watching the sky. They maintain planetary defense systems designed to detect threats as early as possible, because early detection is everything. And here's the part that sounds like science fiction but isn't. In 2022, NASA launched a mission called DART. The goal: crash a spacecraft into an asteroid and change its orbit. And it worked. They successfully altered the asteroid's path, which means for the first time in human history we proved that we can actually defend our planet from a potential impact. So, what about Asteroid 2024 YR4? Will it hit Earth in 2032? Right now, all data says no. It will most likely pass safely by, just another visitor in the vast emptiness of space. But the reason scientists are watching it so closely isn't fear, it's preparation. Because one day, there will be an asteroid on a collision course. Maybe not in 2032. Maybe not in our lifetime, but someday.